In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile Workspace for free. To get started, install the app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for Genspark, then download the official app. Once it's installed, open it and tap Sign Up. You can create your free account quickly by choosing Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. The nice part here is that you can get started right away without needing to enter a credit card, which makes this setup process fast and simple. After you're signed in, the next thing you'll want to do is check your free credits. Tap your profile icon in the top corner of the home dashboard. There, you should be able to see your active balance. This lets you confirm that your free starter credits were automatically added to your wallet, so you know exactly what you have available before using any paid features. Next, head back to the home screen and open your workspace environment. Tap the Workspace tab, or use the All Agents menu at the bottom, depending on what appears in your app version. From there, tap Create New, or choose one of the free preset templates like Notes, Project Draft, or Brainstorm. Once your workspace opens, tap the model dropdown at the top of the chat area and choose the AI engine you want to use. You may see options like GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Genspark's custom MOA, giving you flexibility to test premium models for free. When you're ready to begin, start with the low-cost or free actions first. Type a prompt into the workspace chat to generate text, ideas, or drafts. This is free and unlimited. You can also tap the image icon to create custom visuals, which is also free and unlimited throughout 2026. Just be careful with heavier automation tools like Generate Presentation or Deep Research, since those can use up your free wallet credits much faster.